What's going on? ZeroMagnumX, and welcome, Digital Gate Open. Let me know if you guys like that intro or not. I've been using it. I know it's kind of cringe, but some do, some don't. But after that last matchup, which if you're watching through the videos, was the red versus yellow one. Yeah.
You need to feel better.
Yeah. Anyway, this is gonna be blue versus yellow. This is the deck I test drive my Ferrari in a matter of speaking. It's just a deck I like most.
Vroom vroom.
So, hopefully it performs well.
It did at the tournament. You played against other people.
Well, that was a sealed tournament. I actually took the yellow deck, and the yellow deck went 1 and 2. Mostly because it cannot take on Diaboromon with, like, drug all Magna Angemons. That isn't a recipe for winning. And in the other Rookie Rush deck, just too many puppet mons in that game, and I couldn't overcome them. I couldn't actually, like, get into dealing enough damage to win. So, that happened, but it does fine versus, like, the other decks we played. Did we roll dice yet?
No.
I did not think so. Okay. So, let's roll.
Get out of the car for a second.
So, I got an 8. Boxcars.
This could go really good or really bad.
Okay, so let's see what we got. Not bad. Not a bad start. You get 2 draws, so that'll work. Okay, and let's battle.
Alright. Patamon!
So, draw a card. Sophie, please stop with your foot, honey. Thank you.
TK.
Yep.
You're like, here she goes.
Yep.
That guy. Hi, Caesarmon.
Yep.
Favorite Lion-esque Digimon ever.
Yep. You know, he's actually one of the, I believe, under evolutions of Kentarosmon, I think. Which is the big thing that made you go, oh, security tech, blah, 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 0. Well, it's -2, but in most cases, 0.
Good.
Okay, draw, hatch.
That's Upamon.
Yep, it is Upamon. Did you evolve draw? This deck likes me. That's the difference between them. Go ahead. This is kind of why this is my baby. Like, yeah, just right away. You didn't move Patamon up?
Nope.
Okay. I mean, you did okay doing... Okay, that's a thing.
Good.
Alright. Draw. Move him up. Play Goblimon. Draw a card. Vidramon's going to attack into security. Okay, so I don't get any effects, but he'll be 6,000. Okay. Pointed the wrong one.
It mattered.
Digivolve. Draw a card. I know it's your turn, so you go to 3.
Now it's moving up. Swinging in.
Sure.
I missed the power on that one.
5. It doesn't matter. Here says jamming.
I was curious. I couldn't see what it was. It just went really, really fast.
Ferrari has to go vroom. That's annoying. Okay. Draw. Hatch. Digivolve. Draw. Hammer Spark.
Hi, Gomamon.
Let's see. Digivolve. Draw cards. So that's for 3. Go to 2. We are going to attack here for 6,000.
Let's see, is there any triggers I should know?
Once per turn, if I have a Garurumon source, I can restand it. So we will then attack into security stack.
You did.
I know that.
Okay. You did.
Less worried about that. Trust me. And then I'm at 2.
You can Digivolve again.
Yeah, I can, but we're gonna do this. Go ahead.
Draw. Dude.
Sure.
Rawr.
Yeah, it's fine. Hammer Spark, so not that matters, but you're at 1,
No.
right?
Yeah, so it doesn't advance to 0?
No, it'll advance at 2 because it gives me 2 in memory. So your turn's automatically over.
That's
and then
interesting.
I'll draw. This moves up. I go to 3.
It's okay, it's 4 to 3. I'm okay with this. Now just hit and give me another TK and we'll be fine.
Digivolve. Draw. We'll swing at Anjumon, Magnanjumon, so they'll both die.
They both die.
Yeah, mine is 7k, yours is 7k, right?
6.
Oh, neat! It lives!
That's why I was confused.
Okay, and Digivolve. We'll draw a card. Because we did not. And then it's your turn.
Hurrah. Thanks. Okay.
And stuff.
Things and stuff and stuff and things. I mean, I'm not going to get special effects or anything from it, but I need something
Okay.
out there. I need a rookie, and I need a champion.
Hatch.
Thank you.
Bless you,
Bless you.
kid.
Thank you.
Digivolve for 3. Draw a card. Attack security stack on attack skill. Place this over here. And then if you have a Digimon with no Digivolution sources, he's a double breaker. So, and then the next one.
Bye.
Yep, I know that. I knew he wasn't going to be alone for this world. Go sit, please. Digivolve, draw a card. Garurumon will attack security stack for 5,000. I know. So on deletion, get a memory. Which sadly doesn't do anything for us in this case. Other times it does, but not right now. Gobumon. Draw a card. Go ahead.
Oh, it's stuffing things. Sorry.
That's okay. That's why I figured this deck would give, if any deck would give you some issues, it would be this one. Omnimon, so it dies. Yeah, sure.
Must stay alive.
Draw. Advance. Digivolve. Or, you know what? We'll Digivolve here. Draw. And that goes 1, 2, 3. Be cool if we could find an ultimate.
I just want a rookie.
Draw. Draw. Okay, so this Goblin one was played. These are my legitimate attackers. So Digimon is probably
Well,
going
you
to die.
just played the Gabumon.
This one, yes.
No,
So
I meant that one. Because you brought him out from an ability.
no, I
Didn't
hard
you?
cast the Goblin.
You brought him out with the
and I
ability.
didn't. No, yeah, these are legal attackers. This is not.
Well, one already swung.
So Swain and Restand, since I have a blue tamer at security stack.
Did.
It's fine. Attack security stack.
Did.
I'm aware.
That's the one that just came out.
No, this one is. This one's out last turn from the ability. Attack security stack. And then you go to 3 memory. Your turn.
Not super duper happy.
That's how I felt when I was using the red deck, honey.
I can't kill you. Go to
Okay. You can have the blocker.
Just wish, you know, had something that could help me out here. Because, I mean, the lowest cost I can...
Don't you have a blocker?
Do I have a blocker? Do I look
Or
like
a
I
way
have a
to
blocker?
heal? I only have one attacker right now.
That's a level 6.
A way to heal.
No.
Can you
no,
play?
No,
I was gonna say,
no,
can you
no,
hard cast
no,
something?
No.
Okay.
Because everything else is wild digivolving. And I can't digivolve on top of my level 6.
That is. Oh, did you use its on skill when you attacked? Play a level 3 or lower Digimon from your hand?
I don't have a level 3 or lower.
Oh, that really stinks.
Yeah, it does. So best I can do is play him.
Oh, what a way to go down.
I'll show you afterwards. This is not the Ferrari's doing, it's my hands doing.
I mean, the Ferrari went raw and tore through 7 security, so...
To be fair, it was 4 in one turn.
Uh-huh.
It wasn't
why-
7, it was 4 in one turn.
I know that, but that's why it's Ferrari. I really wanted to attack in a cool way, but I guess we're just going to win the game here.
Yeah. Here, so you can see.
Yeah, you needed a champion real bad.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, alright. The deck did what it was supposed to do and aggroed out against the yellow deck. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yellow deck put up a better fight than I thought it did, but until next time, take care and have a good one. Later, everybody.